Hello students, in this video I will discuss about the process of meiosis or meiotic cell division. First, this is a diploid cell, okay, and here the diploid cell denoted by 2n, and 2n equals to 6. Here 2n equals to 6, right? And in these diploid cells 6 chromosomes are present, as here 2n equals to 6 or 3 pairs of chromosomes. So 6 chromosomes are present or 3 pairs of chromosomes are present. So 1, 2 and 3 pairs of chromosomes are present, and in each pair one chromosome is denoted by yellow color, another one is denoted by green. Here this is yellow and this is green, another one yellow and green. Okay, so 3 pairs of chromosomes, and in each pair 2 chromosomes are present. This is a diploid cell. 2n equals to 6, or we can say 2n equals to 3 pairs. So first, meiotic 1 takes place. In meiotic 1, from one diploid cell 2 haploid cells are formed. Here 2 cells are formed, and 2 cells are obviously haploid in nature. So this cell is N, another one is N. Okay, because N denotes the haploid number of chromosome. So haploid means 2n equals to 6 means N equals to obviously 3. So this is one cell and this is another one cell, and in both the cells the chromosome number N or haploid. So in each cell 3 chromosomes are present. Okay, in this cell 1, 2, 3, another one in this cell 1, 2, 3 chromosomes are present, but in this cell 1 chromosome from each pair of mother cell. Okay, here 3 pairs of chromosomes, and from each pair 1 chromosome will be separated in both the daughter cells. Okay, from 1, 2, 3 pairs in this cell, the 3 chromosomes are present. In this cell another 3 chromosomes are present. So 6 chromosomes are just separated into daughter cells, 3 plus 3. Okay, and this process is meiosis 1. Okay, in this process after meiosis 1, the chromosome numbers will be reduced from 2n equals to 6 to n equals to 3, n equals to 3. And meiotic 2, the last step, meiotic 2 is just similar with the mitosis cell division. In meiotic 2, from both the parental cells 2 daughter cells are formed from each parental cell. From this cell 2 daughter cells will be produced, and here from one parental cell obviously 2 daughter cells are produced, but the chromosome numbers will be same as the parental cell. Here n equals to 3, so after mitosis cell division 2 daughter cells will be produced, n equals to 3, n equals to 3. Okay, chromosome numbers are same or equal with the parental cell, and from this cell also meiotic 2 is just like mitosis. So 2 daughter cells are formed, and each daughter cell having 3 chromosomes. Okay, so just chromosome numbers are same with the parental cell. So meiosis 1, and this is meiosis 2. After meiosis 1, 2 daughter cells are produced and reductional division takes place, and in meiosis 2 equitional division takes place. From each cell 2 daughter cells will be produced, and the chromosome number here same as the parental cell. So here 2n equals to 6, n equals to 3, n equals to 3, and here n equals to 3 in all the 4 daughter cells. So meiosis is divided into 2 steps, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So this is all about the process of meiosis.